Hi crafters, it's Hannah here. Welcome to my channel today. This is the card that I'm going to be showing you how to make for this week's colour challenge. It's really cute. I love how it turned out. So this week's stamp set is the In This World set, which is retiring, so if you want it you need to get it now. Basically you have up until the end of May while stocks last, so anything that's retiring it is while stocks last. So if there's something that you like, get in there quick before it's gone, because once it's gone it is gone. So yeah, I will be showing you how I made it, the colours, and there will be links in the description for all of the supplies that I have used. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start by getting our numbers as always. So today's numbers are have been chosen by Carol Underhill, and she asks also, how do I match the numbers with the colours? So I've got my colour chart here and I just randomly started adding numbers. So one's here, then over here for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way up until 50. So they're all just randomly chosen, randomly placed, and then when you have 3 numbers you just see what you get. So it's the luck of the draw with numbers. So the numbers that Carol chose were 5, you can see just there, 5, 22 and 36. So number 5 gives us wild wasabi, 22 is somewhere pink pirouette, and 36 is 36 is Calypso Coral. Okay, so we've got all subtles this time. So we've got what did I say? Wild wasabi, pink pirouette and Calypso Coral. So all subtles, which is interesting. So we'll have a subtle card today. So I will go and grab those inks, and also thank you very much for commenting, Carol, and don't forget you can comment also with any 3 numbers between 1 and 50. So I'll get those and then we'll get started. Okay, I've got the colours, wild wasabi, pink pirouette and Calypso Coral, and I also got the cardstock in those colours. So Calypso Coral, pink pirouette and wild wasabi. I haven't fully decided what I'm going to do, but we are going to be using the In This World stamp set this week. So I'm thinking I'll probably do some sort of collage-y background, zoom out a smidge, and then go from there. So I've got a piece of Whisper White, so let's open all of these up and see what we can do. I could stamp on the pink pirouette and do the collage on there. That might look nice, I think. Yeah, so we'll stamp on the pink pirouette instead. I'm going to take the butterfly, excuse me, the chair, the key and that thing. So I'm gonna go, yeah, view of the butterfly. I'm going in all directions of that one. Then the chair in Old Olive. Oh, that looks nice. And I am overlapping them as well. I'm going in all sorts of directions. I really like that chair. Okay, then this one in Calypso Coral. So filling in any gaps that there might be. There, so we very quickly got a collage background. I'm gonna keep stamping just so we've got some tones going on as well. I like that. Okay, so this can then go onto there, which will go on our card base. So obviously I'm not just going to do that. Well, I mean you could, there's nothing wrong with that at all. But I'm going to do a little bit more. I've got a Calypso coral card base. I have to say this is my least favourite colour. So I kind of wish it was retiring, but it's not. So those are the layers we're going to have. So we need something, some focal image. So I'm thinking maybe the butterfly. And I've got another scrap of Whisper White. And we'll stamp that in. We'll go with the Calypso Coral because it's the darkest colour. So it will stand out. I'm going to stamp it and then stick my finger in the ink pad. We'll add a little bit of colour to it. So where is... Let me grab my pens. Oops. So we need... bear with me. Sorry, I've taken all the retiring colours out of the container, so there we go. And oh, what colour is this? Oh no, it's paper paper. Okay, so I'll add a little bit of pink pirouette to the butterfly. Oh my life. Stay. Okay. So these colours actually go really nicely together. So let me zoom you in a little bit. There we go. So I'm just going around the edge with pink pirouette. Really darkening that up now with the second layer. There we go. I like that a lot actually. I like it a lot. And I think some in the middle here. Then we will add some wild wasabi. Oh, that's very dark. That's darker than I actually want. Bear with. Okay, so I've grabbed a blender pen and I'm going to try and blend that out a bit because I want the green but I don't want it that dark. That's actually very dark. So I'm going to try and just pick up a tiny bit so it's lighter. That's better. So I'm just picking up a touch and then squibbling some of it off so it's a lighter shade. Don't want to rub too hard because then you'll start to wreck your paper. That's better. So you're almost letting the colour run out from the blender pen that you've picked up, so it's a lighter shade. And then you can go back in and add some darker parts if you want to. Seeing as that one's darker, We'll make this one a bit darker as well. Then we've got lighter ones down here. There we go. I like that. That looks good. So then we'll just cut that out. I'm just going to follow along the lines that are in the image. So leaving a little bit of a border. Big scissors are perfect for this. So you can just cut in one straight line. There. Very cute. Okay, so we've got our butterfly now. Now we still need something else going on, I think. Even though the background's quite busy, I feel like we need something for the sentiment. And I'm thinking, this could be backed onto a piece of the, what colour is it again? Wild Wasabi. Then we can add something around it for the sentiment maybe. So we could go with like a strip of this. Oh yeah, that would be good I think. So we could cut that down and then add the sentiment here. Or make it straight. Give it the top of it that shape. Oh, that'll look really good. So we can stick it down and then give the top of it the same shape as the butterfly and add the sentiment down here. That's what we'll do. And I've lost my snail. Oh, there it is. See, this is how we craft. We just make it up as we go along and hope for the best. But genuinely, this is, I like to show the thought process behind when I'm actually making something, because it can be a bit difficult sometimes, I think, to just know how to make things. So I find it useful when I sort of see how people actually get their ideas and how they design things, not just the end product. So I hope that you find that useful too. And it does help me a lot. So then we can snip, snip, and snip. Ah, that's not straight, but it's okay. So then we'll have that, that, and that. Well, we could go this way. We could go this way. I like it that way, I think. And then just something here for the sentiment. So this week for the sentiment, I'm going to use the Just Add Text stamp set. And let's go with, I don't know what my future holds, but I'm happy you're in it. Aww, that's lovely. So we'll stamp that in. Oh, need a block. In, whoops, in Cajun, no, Calypso Coral. Cool. And I think we'll just, actually I'll use the trimmer. Hopefully I'll get a straight line that way. Kind of go with a rectangle shape. So I'm just having a look through here just to make sure that I'm not cutting. Say if I did it there, then obviously I'd be cutting the words in half. So I'm just having a look through here so I know that I'm okay. And let's see, how wide we want it. We could just do it all the way across, I think. And then we can just snip off the excess at the back. So if we just bump it up straight to the edge, like so, then there. Oh, that's cute. That's annoying me that that's not straight, you know. Let's see if I can trim a smidge off. There we go. Ta-da! Oh, that is so cute. I really like that. Okay, so we can put all this together now. We've got a piece of Whisper White. Then we've got our background piece that we stamped all over, and that's finished. Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. It's not even my snail, I nicked it off Mum's desk. Oh dear. Oh, hang on, let me just grab. Oh come on. Oh, just rip it out now. Oh dear. So pop that down, and then this one we can pop up with some dimensionals. Okay, and that can go there, right in the middle. Oh, there we go. So thank you very much for watching and for commenting. Don't forget to comment with your 3 numbers. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I will leave some more for you to watch, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.